In the official Twitter account of CoinMarketCap, and as you can see here, CoinMarketCap has posted something on Twitter. Happy 9th birthday, #CoinMarketCap. Celebrate another great milestone with us by sharing your crypto wishes. Means you also can celebrate CoinMarket birthday by sharing your crypto wishes. So for that you need to do something. First, you need to like and retweet this post, and with post you need to post one hashtag coin market cap birthday. After that you need to comment your crypto wish. After that you will get a 500 USDC prize, but for that you need a luck. So very simple how to do it, and the prize and the competition is until May 23 2022 UTC 2359. Please convert it on your own local time. So let's do this. First we need to like the post, like, okay. Then we need to retweet the post. Okay, click on retweet and again click on quote tweet. Okay, here what we need to write, just a second, what we need to write there, coin market cap birthday. Okay, so here we will write coin market cap birthday. Okay, so we have retweeted, and now what we have to do, we need to have one crypto wish. Okay, you write any crypto wish what you want, like I want Shiba Inu to go to $10, like this. Any wish you can write and just click on reply. So I hope you understand. Also please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and don't forget to follow CoinMarket on Twitter.